Before we attend mediation together in your family law case, whether this is divorce or paternity, provided there are minor children, the first step I like to take with clients, after explaining what mediation is and what it is not, that the mediator is not a judge, that this is not necessarily being litigated in a courtroom, and that this is an opportunity to resolve your case on your own terms before the case is noticed for trial, depositions, or otherwise. Among the first steps I like to take with clients is creating a parenting plan. We take a calendar that is blank of about 4 to 5 weeks per month, and we fill out what overnights and days does dad get? What overnights and days does mom get? And what does that look like? Where will your kids spend time? Who wants to be the time-sharing parent that drops the kids off in the morning to school, picks them up in the afternoon or evening after work? Who wants to be primarily the weekend time-sharing parent? This goes along again with weekend versus weekday time-sharing, but it's a little more complex because only you and your spouse or your significant other know the inner workings of your kids' schedules. Only you know about their school schedule, their extracurricular activities, their friendships, the things that they need to accomplish during the course of the day, matched with your individual unique work schedules. This is very important to plan ahead of time and to understand the other issues, such as right of first refusal, whether this is shared parental responsibility or something else. Who's going to have educational determination authority to make the decisions about where your children go to school based on what school district or private school or otherwise. These issues are tremendously important. The best way to approach mediation when minor children are at issue in your case is to plan, to strategize, to look at a parenting plan, to understand the issues, to talk with your attorney about expectations, both minimally and maximum expectations. We want to know what you would accept if you absolutely had to resolve your case amicably, in a sense, or what you're really fighting for and why you're fighting for it. What's the reasoning behind your ultimate goals of being with your children at certain times, for certain holidays, for birthdays, for Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, and any other holiday that may be important to you or to the other party. Let's go ahead and talk about it fully, freely, earnestly, and make sure that we understand what your expectations are, why those are your expectations, and how we can help you resolve those. And then we can have a mediation strategy and have fully prepared you and prepared together for what is coming. Thank you.